My hamster tries Joyride for the first time. Looking for him. I think you will love it just like me. There he is, but first I need to get him out. Let's see what he thinks. Damn. Okay, he loves it. Time for the real test. If he lets me play with his feet, he loves it.